Jallikattu and had quite a nice time. Got a sense of why Tamil people appreciate Jallikattu. I must also say something. There was a sense, many people had mentioned to me that Jallikattu is harmful to the bulls. I witnessed it today, and I must say that the way it was done today, there was absolutely no chance of either the bull getting injured. In fact, if anyone was likely to get injured, it was the young men who were doing Jallikattu. So I'm happy to say that there have been some changes to make it safer for everybody. One of the main reasons I came was today the government in Delhi is under the impression that they can destroy the cultures of this country. They believe that they can suppress the emotions of the Tamil people. They believe they can crush the language of the Tamil people. They believe that they can suppress the spirit of the Tamil people. I came to give them a message that nobody is going to suppress the Tamil spirit. And there is a reason for it. First of all, the Tamil spirit cannot be suppressed. And second of all, suppressing the Tamil spirit is the worst thing you can do for our country. Because the Tamil spirit, like many other cultures and traditions in this country, are the essence of our country. They are the soul of our country. So I am completely against this idea that there is one particular idea, one particular language, one particular notion in this country. There are many, many different languages, many different ideas, and all these contribute to our strength.